Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss one more problem on partial differential equations, higher order. Dou cube z by dou x cube minus 3 into dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 4 times of dou cube z by dou y cube is equal to e power x plus 2a. Right hand side something is there. That is e power ax model. So d cube minus dou cube, therefore d cube minus dou x square d square dou y d dash plus 4 into d dash cube is equal to 0. So in place of d you write m, in place of d dash is equal to 1. M cube minus 3m square plus 4 is equal to 0. Roots are 2 comma 2 comma minus 1. So phi of y plus 2x plus x times of phi of y plus 2x plus phi of y minus x. So particular integral. So for right hand side you have to do something. That is equal to 1 by d cube minus 3d square d dash plus 4d dash cube into e power x plus 2y. This is nothing but ax plus by model. Ax plus by model. So d is equal to 1, d is equal to a, ante a is equal to 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2. Therefore d is equal to 1, d dash is equal to 2. So substitute these values in place of d1 and d dash 2. You will get this much. Therefore 1 by 27 into e power x plus 2y. Therefore general solution is complementary function plus particular integral. Solve dou square z by dou x power 4 minus dou power 4 z by dou y power 4 is equal to 0. That means d power 4 minus d dash power 4 is equal to 0. M power 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is m square minus 1 into m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M is equal to plus or minus 1. Here it is plus or minus I. Therefore complementary function is phi of y plus x, phi of y minus x, phi of y plus ix, phi of y minus ix. Thank you.